Welcome to a series of videos I'm going to do on using Zotero Citation Manager. We recommend this a lot at the HJF library. I've done a lot of classes on it, and of course we have our help guide on it. These videos are intended to be fairly short and to the point, focusing on specific aspects of Zotero and how to do things. This is the intro video. I'm going to show you here how to go ahead and start installing Zotero. It's just like any other software that you would install on your Windows or Mac computers. So just go ahead and go to Zotero.org. You should come up to a page that looks something like this. Click download. It should recognize your operating system already. And you can do Zotero 6 for Windows. Zotero 7 is out in beta. It's very nice. I usually use that one. I haven't had any issues with it. But Zotero 6 is the official one. Click download. You'll see it pop up here. You go ahead and run it. It will extract. Now, Mac users, Apple laptops, we do run into issues with it installing properly. I believe all of the issues I've had regarding this were solved simply by restarting your laptop. If it's been a while since you've restarted your laptop, please do so. Close and save all your work and hit the restart. All right. When it comes back on, it should install fine. But if you hit a problem, that has usually solved it. If not, always come talk to me. I'm happy to work through it with you. So we'll click next. We're going to do the standard install. Install here. And we'll wait for it. And we're done. All right, so now we'll go ahead and we've launched Zotero installed. Hit finish. Yep, and all this is telling us is that it has a LibreOffice plugin. It also has Microsoft Word. You can go ahead and click next if you want to do that. I don't, so we'll just go ahead and leave it. And then here it is, a fresh install of Zotero. This is something what it should look like. We're not quite done yet, though. We also need to install the browser plugin. Now, it's already pulled up the window for us, the tab in our browser. And now it says you need to install the Zotero connector for Chrome. If you go back to the download page here, you'll also see that it says install Chrome connector. All right, I already have it installed, but when you click it, it should take you to the Chrome Web Store. Now, if you're using Firefox, they have their own version. Edge, I believe Safari has their own version. But when you go to whatever store it is you are, you should see it here. And then when you install it, it will live up here. Now, if you're using Chrome or Brave or something like that, any Chromium browser, Edge is a Chromium browser, usually you have some kind of puzzle piece here. And if it's not pinned, you won't see it up there. So like here I can see it and now it's gone. All right, so make sure you click that and then pin it up here where you want it. Now the reason you need the Zotero connector installed is because when you go to any website, any database, when you're doing your research and you want to save it to your Zotero library so you have the citation information to use later, you need this. It's one click and it downloads that information. We'll talk more about that in a later video. The next video is going to be about the settings for Zotero. So keep following along if you're finding this useful.